Hey everyone, it's Nicole with American Paving Design. If you are like most of our clients, you are probably unsure about when is the right time to replace your current driveway. Throughout the years, I've seen my share of really ugly driveways, so I have a pretty good idea of what I'm looking for. Today I'm going to share with you my suggestions for the top 3 signs it's time to replace your existing driveway. Do you see visible cracking? If you are seeing your current driveway starting to crack, that is a good indication that you may need to start considering options for replacing your driveway. Hairline cracks throughout an asphalt or concrete driveway can become common as your driveway starts to age and weather takes its toll. These cracks form over the years due to weather, surface stains, and harmful substances penetrating the surface. As the cracks continue to spread, they can become wider and deeper, which can ultimately lead to larger problems down the road. Although small cracks can be fixed, keep in mind those areas will be darker and stand out more than other areas on your driveway, really causing your driveway to lack curb appeal. Are you experiencing standing water? Throughout the years, you will see that water will not affect your driveway if it's in good condition. But as your driveway begins to age, you're going to start to see drainage issues that can cause extensive and expensive damage down the road. So if your driveway becomes sloped or uneven, you'll begin to notice areas of standing or pooling water. When this happens, these areas begin to diminish the structure of the driveway and ultimately can lead to serious issues like cracking and potholes. Although you can replace certain areas of your driveway, at this point, the damage may be severe enough that a total driveway replacement is warranted. Is your driveway 20 years or older? Although you may struggle with the thought of replacing your driveway, sometimes you need to come to the realization that your driveway is just getting old. And if this is the case and you're experiencing a combination of cracks, standing water, and harsh weather, it's probably time to call a professional paving company like us. We can help lead you to the best replacement options on the market and have you enjoying your new paver driveway for decades to come. A driveway replacement can solve a lot of your issues, including all 3 of the ones that I just spoke about. Our goal here at American Paving Design is to have you stop dealing with costly repairs and start learning more about the practical solutions offered for driveway replacements.